Yeah, I'm right up against the glass here, so they're a little shy now. But I had about half a dozen different bird species there a couple of minutes ago before I started filming them. Even the juncos, they greatly prefer to eat on the ground, but they'll go up into this little feeder here and eat. Yeah, they're all conflicted because I'm a little too close for their comfort. Oh, Mr. Nuthatch. Haven't seen him much this morning yet. Yeah, we still got 6 inches of ice covering, 6 inches of snow rather, with ice crust. So there's no way they're going to find any natural food on the ground out there for a few days. Hey, little guy. Or girl. That's a guy. English sparrow. Yeah, I think the other birds, other species, are a little gun shy about me being so close to the glass. I would have some cowbirds here now and blue jays, and it's just the bolder birds coming right now. Okay, you guys get the story. I'll see if I can get a video when I have half a dozen birds at once, of half a dozen different species at once.